Hi, my name's Keith Creeley. We're in Harrisburg at the show in 2023 at the Ziamatic booth. What we're showing you is the QRSOFD-2 display. It's 2 because we had a version of this that unlocked and locked from the side. And what's different is that we applied a locking mechanism in the front to keep everything more narrow and be able to mount this in more confined space. So this system slides out of a confined space to a ground level, and then you're able to take the cylinders in and out. The system holds G, H, and J size cylinders, the larger cylinders, which are upwards of 140, 150 pounds full sometimes. So it allows you and assists you to get them in and out of the apparatus in a safe way. So you simply grab the stainless steel handle with 2 hands, you relieve the T-lock here, and you slide it out of position. Safely lower it down in a position. You unstrap the cylinder, you switch it out. Obviously, you put the new cylinder in, lift it up, and slide it back into place. When you slide it back into place, the spring-loaded locking mechanism automatically finds its spot and locks in, and it's secure, and it holds the SAE standards. If you'd like any information on this, you can find it on our website, www.ziamatic.com, or you can give us a call at 800-711-3473.